All right, we are going to show you left hand C scale, right hand C scale. We are also going to do some 5-note exercises. I need to move a little bit quickly, so I'm going to try to demonstrate slowly. And then afterwards, we're going to move along very quickly because of YouTube's limited recording capabilities. So here we go. Left hand. We're going to start with left hand. Pinky on C. This is C3. We talked about this during class. All right, C3. All right, so here we go. C, pinky on C. Ring finger on D. That's the fourth finger. Middle finger on E. That's the third finger. Index finger on F. That's the second finger. And then thumb on G, which is the first finger. And then we're going to take our middle finger, which is the third finger, and take it over the thumb to play the A, and then we're going to go ahead and play the B with the index finger, which is the second finger, and then the thumb with the first finger, which is the thumb, and that's going to land right on C, which is C4, middle C. Going back down the scale, start with the thumb, index, third finger. Now we're going to bring the thumb underneath. All right, underneath the ring finger. Underneath the third finger, I should say. All right, we're going to bring it underneath the third finger, and then the thumb lands on G, and then we go ahead and play the F with the index, second finger, third finger, E, fourth finger, D, and the pinky on C, which is C3. All right, let's play that in real time. Goes another exercise. This is the 5-note exercise, and we're going to do 5 notes from this C. Okay, we're not pivoting, and we're going to play it all the way to this C right here. All right, middle C. So here goes the 5-note exercise. When we get here to D, and notice the ring finger, fourth finger is playing that D, we're going to now replace it with the pinky. All right, so it should sound like this. And we're going to keep going. Notice the fourth finger, ring finger, is playing the E. We're going to replace that with the pinky. So we did this, and then we, all right. Here, and we're going to play that with the thumb when we're going back down. All right, this index finger, we're going to replace it now with the thumb. Index fingers on E, we're going to replace that index finger, second finger, with the thumb. A little quickly. All right, here goes the last left hand Hannan exercise. All right, we're going to skip this. We typically would play the D, the next note, with the ring finger, fourth finger. Instead, we're going to skip this note here and play this note instead, the E. All right, so this is how it should look. All right, so I placed all my fingers on the key. Notice the blue notes lighting up there. All right, that's how it should look. This is the scale we're going to play. We're going to skip that second note. All right, and here we go. See? Now we're on D, the pinky's on D, and we're going to do the same pattern. Notice the second note is not lit up in blue, this note right here. All right, we're going to skip that note. Here we go. All right, my pinky's on middle C now. Let's start on G, thumb on G. All right, notice the note that's not lit up here. All right, we're gonna skip that note. Thumb on G, index finger on E. All right, here goes the exercise. So we're gonna skip that second note. All right, here we go. I'm gonna speed it up. And we stop right there. And that is your Hannan exercise, all right? I think in the video, you can actually slow the video down. You can slow motion it if you didn't catch it, if it was too fast. All right, let's start with the right hand. Right hand, of course, we're starting in C4, middle C. Let's just go over the C major scale. Thumb goes under the third finger, plays the F, and then we just keep going. And going back down. Third finger goes over the thumb, plays the E. All right, let's do it real time. All right, of course, you should not be playing it this fast. You should be playing it as slowly as possible. And I'm playing it fast and I'm moving quickly so that we don't run out of recording time here. All right, 5-note exercise with the right hand. All right, here we go. We're gonna play from here, all of these notes, and we're gonna travel, play 1 octave, and we're gonna end up here. All right, here we go. See the second finger? I'm gonna replace the second finger here with the thumb. See that? This C5, all right? Now, when we go back down, we start on G, which is 5 notes away from C5. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's G. Let's go down. We're gonna replace this 4th finger, ring finger, and place the pinky on it. And then we're gonna keep going. All right, we're gonna move quick. Last exercise with the right hand is the Hannan exercise. Here we go. Remember, we're going to skip this note here. We're going to skip this note here. All right, we're going to place thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and fifth finger. We're going to go all the way up to the C5. Here we go. Thumb on D. All right, we're going to speed it up. All right, we stop right there. Okay, now we're gonna start the pinky on G. We're gonna go back down. Remember, we're gonna skip this note. We're gonna place the 4th finger. All right, see that? We skip this, and we're gonna put the 4th finger here, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, and then thumb. Here we go. So those are the exercises that we touched on during class. I hope this tutorial helps, all right? And again, you can slow it down as slowly as possible if you missed anything, all right? Make sure you practice every single day, and I hope this helps again. Take care. See you next time. I will be recording another tutorial, and we'll be doing every scale. So next tutorial should be G. All right, we're going to do G scale, D scale, and the scales we learned during class or session. All right, so see you soon.